Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Today's video is another dupe video and we're going to dupe Huda Beauty's new Naughty Nude palette. I am super excited. This is a color scheme that doesn't say exciting, new. I pretty much knew that I had all the shades in my collection. The only thing that I appreciate about that palette is the newness that is in the appearance. The palette seems to look super exciting and like super marbleized and gloss, but the shades, all the texture are super exciting. But when you talk about the color and the shades, it's the same old warm tone, burgundies and browns and a little bit of pink and golden thrown out here and there. So yeah, it didn't super catch my attention, but I thought if you guys are interested and if you guys have already the palettes that I'm talking about with you, you might have all the shades in your hand. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So I'm going to show you both the swatches as well as the shades in the video, and I'm going to compare it with Huda Beauty's swatches, just because I thought that is the most reliable source to get the swatches from. So I'm going to give you my swatches as well as Huda Beauty's swatches side by side, and you can decide how close it is or how close it is not. But I'm going to say it beforehand, it's super close, if not exact. If you are like a makeup lover, and if you guys have Milani's Pure Passion palette, I'm going to say LA Girls Keep It Playful palette in the shade Playmate. These palettes are like dupe to each other, except Milani's palette has more shades than the LA Girls palette. So that's the only difference. But most of them are like exact spot on dupes. So I am definitely going to root for my Milani's Pure Passion palette, but if you guys cannot find it in the stores, I think LA Girls Playmate palette would be a very good option for you. Apart from that, I'm also using Urban Decay's Born to Run palette. I was feeling that most of you guys would have it, and the newest ColourPop palette, which is the Hocus Pocus palette. So let's begin. The first shade in the Huda Beauty's Naughty Nude palette is called Filthy, which has been duped by Milani's Always Pink of Me. It's a matte light pink shade. The second shade in the palette is called Passion, which is being duped by Milani's Late Date, which is the deep brown, burgundy brown matte in the palette. The third shade in the palette is called Shameless, which is being duped by Milani's Pink Sand. And this is basically like a duochrome of peachy pink shimmer. It's not completely like out of the box shade. You have a lot of shades like this where whenever now we see like a pink burgundy tone palette, we do see that shade in all the palettes, I would say. The fourth shade in the palette is called Please Me, which is being duped by Urban Decay's Double Life. Now this is a shade which is like a brown shimmer. It's more of like a bronzy brown. So I thought, according to the swatches, it completely feels like similar to Urban Decay's Double Life. The next shade in the palette is called Hypnotic, which has been duped by Milani's Totally Fawn of You. And this is basically a crease shade in mostly all the palette. It would be like my skin tone color and nothing out of the box, but it is required to blend out any shade. The next shade in the palette is called Hard, which has been duped by Urban Decay's Good Is Gone. This is basically a matte brown shade, but a cool tone brown shade. So that's basically what we were going for. And you can find like similar shade in the LA Girl palette also, which is on the third row on the rightmost corner. Let me just open it and show it to you rather than reflecting it out. So it would be this shade. I'm pointing out to this shade just because we do not have names of the shades in this palette. That's why I'm showing it to you. The next shade in the palette is called Untamed, which is being duped by ColourPop's Night of Frolic shade. It's a matte, deep red burgundy kind of a shade. That is one shade that is like super muted and unique in my collection, and that is what I found in ColourPop's Gather Round Sisters palette. The next shade in the palette is called Irresistible, which is being duped by Milani's Pure Passion palette, and the shade name is called Desert Getaway, and this is basically a deep burgundy shimmer shade. If you have any other shimmer shade which is deep burgundy, I think you can definitely dupe it. Another shade which is similar to that is LA Girls, the last row and the middle shade. And those are basically dupes for each other. That's why I'm showing the Milani palette. The next shade in the palette is called Flower Power, which has been duped by Urban Decay's Stranded Shadow. And this is basically a peach golden shade, a shimmer shade. It's a peach golden shimmer shade, and which is exactly to the Urban Decay Stranded shade. The next shade in the palette is called Rough, which is deeper tone of like a medium brown shade, and this is being duped by Colourpops in the shade called Toast. Another similar shade would be Urban Decay's Born to Run palette, and the shade name is called Riff. So those are like pretty similar shades to each other. The next shade in the palette is called Spicy. For this shade, I combined two shades together, which is Milani's Late Date and Colourpop's Night of Frolic. As this is a matte shade, but it is more of like a deep red brown. If you want like a similar burgundy shade and you're thinking about any other shade, I would say even the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette has a shade called Credit, which is exactly this shade if you don't want to like mix up the shade and you have that palette. The next shade in the palette is called Arouse, which is being duped by Milani's Spice It Up. Now, this shade is a warm tone matte brown shade. You mostly have this shade in like most of the palettes, I would say. So nothing out of the box or anything, but a deep matte brown shade. The next shade in the palette is called Slippery. Now, this is the most different and unique shade in the whole palette. And this, you cannot say it is like a powder shade. She explains this as a gloss. So if you want like a glossy look on your eyes, it's probably for that kind of a look. And it has a slight pink to it. The shade that reflects into my mind is basically the Maybelline's Lifter Gloss in the shade Stone. That is like an exact dupe for that shade. And that's a gloss format. That's why I'm mentioning a gloss for this. The next shade in the palette is called Tantric, which is being duped by LA Girls palette. And this is basically this bronzy copper shade that you're seeing. It's the first row, last shade. It's a very beautiful, shimmery, it's a very smooth shade. If you guys do not know already, this palette is like for $6 on Ulta's website right now. If you guys have not tried it already and you're into these color scheme, they also have like a cool tone palette which like dupes Natasha Denona's Glam palette, but obviously with fewer shades in it. I would definitely recommend these palettes. These are like amazing quality. Yeah, do check it out. I have done a first impressions on this palette. I would link it in the iCards above. If you've not watched already, please do watch it out. The next shade in the palette is called Naughty, which is being duped by Milani's Heat Is On. And this is basically, it's basically a deep brown shade. This palette has a lot of deep brown burgundy shades, and this is a little more lighter version of the Milani's Late Date. So if you want to see, so this is the shade that we're talking about, and that's called Heat Is On. Basically a warm tone brown, but with a little bit of a hint of burgundy in it. So the next shade in the palette is called Provocative, and this is being duped by Milani's Biggest Flirt. And this is basically a deep burgundy shimmer shade. I feel like any brown eyes, any green eyes like pops with burgundy shades, and this is an amazing shade to have in the palette. The second last shade in the palette is called Desire, which is being duped by Colourpop's Disfirm shade. Now this is a shimmer red shade. Another similar shade would be Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette in the shade what is called Wigglies. So any red shimmer shade is what we are looking for, and along with the palettes that I'm showing you today, I think Colourpop's Disfirm shade comes very close to it. The last shade in the palette is called Juicy, which has been duped by LA Girls. Second row, last shade. So basically this shade. Another similar shade to that is Jackie Aina's palette's shade called Edges. So those were the shades that are like super similar and like so close to each other. So if you have these palettes already in your hand, you probably have all the shades of Naughty Nude palette. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you found it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post next. I generally upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!